Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Notion. We'll explore their fundamental differences and help you decide which tool best suits your needs. Excel is primarily a robust spreadsheet application, ideal for numerical data and intricate formulas. Notion, on the other hand, provides a versatile workspace for diverse content, from documents to databases, fostering collaboration and organization. When it comes to raw data handling and analysis, Excel is a powerhouse. It offers an unparalleled range of functions, pivot tables, and charting capabilities for in-depth numerical work. Notion's databases are highly flexible, allowing you to connect different pieces of information and visualize them in multiple ways, but its analytical depth is less than Excel's. For collaboration, Notion truly shines with its real-time editing and shared workspaces, making it excellent for team projects and knowledge bases. While Excel also supports co-authoring, particularly in its online versions, Notion's inherent design for interconnected pages and customizable blocks offers greater flexibility for diverse team structures and content types. So, when should you choose which? Excel is your go-to for intensive numerical analysis, financial modeling, and detailed reporting, where precision and complex calculations are paramount. Notion is ideal for managing projects, organizing notes, building wikis, and creating flexible dashboards that adapt to your team's evolving needs for content and information.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.